morning, Donnie. Quick demo video for you for your Korbanth Leia. I got this done yesterday. Installed with a Proffie V2. You've got CC sabers in here for your lit PCB. I'll show you that here in a second. This has your blade plug in it. I just wanted to show you that it's got some nice shine through, so we'll light that up here in a sec. This is a one-button setup, so everything happens from this switch right here. If you need a list of button commands, just let me know and I can send those to you, but it's pretty simple. And then how you get to your chassis is you just want to unscrew it from right here. So right here, we'll just take this out. On this pommel, it comes off in two different pieces, right? So what you want to do is take it off like this. Don't unscrew this cap right here. I've got a spacer in there that's glued in there, doesn't come out. And that is to push your chassis up against these pins, right? Because when you take that out, you'll see your chassis. You can pull it out just like that. Excuse me. And this is what you're left with. So you got a removable battery right here. Your Proffie board right here. You've got access to your micro USB, but you'll need to just grab a pair of tweezers to get to your SD card. You can get to both of them without moving the board actually, but you need a pair of needle nose tweezers to pull those out and put it back in if you ever want to change your sound fonts. And then you've got a 28mm Smokers Outpost Elite speaker. And then we use this SO Switch Pixel PCB set to make contact with that 15-pin PCB up there that doesn't move. This is from Korbanth, but this is a different version of the Leia hilt that I've seen from Korbanth, so I'm not sure where this came from or who they got it from, and now they're distributing it. But it's a very nice saber. We'll throw a battery in here.
She's gone, but what she stood for, what she fought for, that's not gone.
Got the royalty sound font on here. So when you put that battery in, you can take this and put it in anyway, right? We'll just throw it in just like that. And then go ahead and take your pommel and screw it on. We'll lock it down, turn this light off, hit activation. And see your blade plug lighting up really well, and then you make sure you had shine through all those windows. We'll just hold it down and turn it off. And we'll throw a blade in here real quick. This takes a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. Take your blade plug out. You've got 3 different blade retentions on this saber that go around here. You're not going to be able to see it well on camera, but there's 1, 2, and then 3. I'm only using 1, but there is your lit pixel PCB connector, right? And it's nice and recessed down in there, so you get the maximum amount of blade depth. We'll throw a blade in this guy. Lock it down. We'll come over here again and hit activation. Smooth swing's working nice. Flash on flash is nice. Or you can just tap the button to get blaster bolt reflex. Then hold it down to turn it off. To change sound fonts is just a long press on the button when the saber's off.
Teensy.
That'll take you to your next font, then you can just fire it up. This is just the stock font package.
Smooth Jedi.
Cycle through a few more.
Smooth Jedi. 15C.
And then we're almost back to the beginning. Just like that. And we'll go over taking the battery out, which is really easy to do, right? Just take your blade out. Pop that right off. We'll put your blade plug in real quick so I don't forget about it. Lock that down, then we'll come over here and unscrew the pommel. That'll pop right off, and then we can pull your chassis out. And then from the positive side of the battery over here by your speaker, you can just pop it out with your finger just like that. But that's pretty much your Leia. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I will try to get this thing out in the mail to you today. All right, thanks.